Cheers and greetings from Ed over at Antique Toys. We are on the precipice of a tremendous Mars auction. Myself and Mr. Bruce Alkin have produced this, and I wanted to go through the catalog so that you can see some great toys. Whether this is old news or current news, you may enjoy having some fun, so stay tuned for more. So we tease the auction and we start the auction with some small steel toys. And I better go back a page. We got a good looking fire toy right there, the cord. Got just a pristine Model T flivver pickup style. Great looking Kingsbury, pure oil, and then some additional small steels. Our True Scale's definitely a popular piece. And then we get into penny toys. We start basic, we work our way up to more interesting things like baby Toonerville trolleys and handsome cabs. And then end up with some nice horse-drawn, as well as automotive J. Dissler. And then we cap things off with a good looking boy with hat and a favorite, a young lady with a jumping jack. Iron toys are well represented. We've warmed up with some Hubbley Kenton Champion motorcycle right there is a killer piece. Horseless carriages, and then get into construction. Buses. Good looking Toonerville trolley with box. And then work our way up in the price scale and desirability. The Rio is outstanding. A little bit of cleanup, a little bit of paint blending, but then tremendous bow tie Chevy coupe. Really think that'll do well. Strong blue Mack truck. Rio service station, which everybody likes with that nice little sticker. Signed Hubbley. We will fast forward some pages. Make our way to the heart of German tin. The Bing Model T is super clean, but the Ismayer lady and man lot number 170 I think is quite outstanding. The head of the man moves and the lady swoons. We have a German suitcase man, Zindorf, Germany, and he's got really fun moving legs, moving parts, and it's a extremely strong patented toy. And on the hood it says Nuff Said, but this is a very strong limousine we hadn't seen before. Carl Bubb, Corette, Hans Eberl, and even the skier, as well as this Guntherman. Both are chipped, but you know what? They're also original, and their action is amazing. This isn't necessarily your thing if you're under the age of 80, but you know what? Roly-polies or Roly-dollies, Schoenhut, Germany, quite exceptional. And like this rabbit with the bowler cap really has personality. Working our way into American tin. Lindstrom, Nyland, Schoenhut car, which is quite unusual. It's a build set. Strauss, up here. Popeye, Amos, Andy, and then this killer Mark's Fish, as well as most likely Fallows toys. lady herder. Amazing. And then nice color variation. And finally, one of my favorites, Mother Goose. Love those celluloids. Love each of those pieces. The the rabbit bunny train by Marks is extremely creepy, cool, and Bramberger is going to be a top lot because of its clean. And now we will get into some killer ships. Corette, G&K Ocean, which you just never see. Marklin, of course, gold standard. This is a more contemporary release, but official Marklin. Bing, Hess. Wow, look at this. You never see one of these. Car Ferry. One of our consigners is ultra detailed in the world of Japanese toys. He found this Sears exclusive, and hope it does well, because somebody really needs to understand how fun this ferry with the 2 ports is. And then finally, for the end of this video, we will stop at an Apex, the Marklin St. Paul, clockwork driven from 1904. Original boats, lifeboats, great looking front end, hand painting detail. So cheers from Ed. Wally's keeping an eye on you. The bots are keeping an eye on you. Have a great day. We've just paged through half of our catalog. Check out the remainder. It's on liveauctioneers.com under MARZ, Mars Auctions. My name's Ed. I'm with Antique Toys and help produce it, help find some of the toys, and I'd like to find other outstanding toys from your collection or your leads or your friends. Please keep me in mind. Toys at AntiqueToys.com. Have a great day.